Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here, back on the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel with a new card making video. I am making a gift card holder with the new Santa mug die set. Oh my word, I'm so in love with it. I made it to be a drink that probably came from the Frosty Cafe shaker card that I made in last week's video. I'll have a link for it at the end of this video so you can catch that if you didn't see it already. And this is the Santa mug die set in all its cuteness. Oh my word, I think it's so adorable, and I wanted to make a little drink that looked like it came from that Frosty Cafe. So I am taking a piece of bright pink cardstock to cut out my mug, but I wanted to spritz it with my mica spray stain in Cocktail Party because I did that on my previous card with the snowflake border. So I kind of got a little heavy-handed with the spray, had a little too much fun there. I let it dry, which yes, did take a while, but now I have this piece I can die cut my mug from. And I did make it a little bit bigger and spray the paper before die cutting the mug because I wanted to also use this paper to die cut out some snowflakes that I'm going to use on my card. I'm actually going to glue 2 snowflakes back to back to make it a little bit sturdier. I have some white paper. I'm die cutting out my whipped cream topping, but I didn't want it to be just any whipped cream topping. So I used this other mica spray in pink. It's like berry, something frosted berry maybe? Yeah, and the spritz that so it was a little darker at the top and a little lighter at the bottom. And now just straight die cutting white pieces for Santa's beard, eyebrows, hat topper, mustache, and face. Now for the face, I'm using my E02 marker and just going to color this and make it so that it's darker in the middle and lighter. No, it's lighter in the middle and darker on the edges. Yeah. And then I added a little B000 to all the other white pieces because I had a light blue going on in my other card. So I wanted to incorporate that, and I wanted this to be a very frosty Santa, so I thought the blue worked really well. Next, I have this little die that actually die cuts out the nose for Santa and some pink rosy cheeks. So I'm using my E02 again, and then R20 for a little pink on all the things. And then I can set those aside to die cut out the eyes and a little smile. It's so very cute. I love this die set. So I'm putting the beard and the mustache on to that facial piece. Then I can add the nose and the cheeks, all the things. Just kind of put it together like a little puzzle. And he is darling, just darling. I also thought you could use this beard and even the top of the hat piece to make like maybe a lumberjack. Anything with like a beard, even if you just want to make a card with like a mustache and a beard on it, these are really good for that. And there you can see how the eyes and the little smile come together. The die with the eyes and the smile, the eyes are the bigger curve and the smaller one is the mouth. Okay, there's other dies in here to accent your cup. I'm doing a gold rim across the top. I thought that was very Santa-like. And then a strip of black across the bottom that actually becomes Santa's belt. And I really would love to know what you guys think of the background for Santa being this bright pink color versus traditional red. I thought it's fun. Like, Santa's probably thinking, like, why do I have to wear red all the time? Right? Yeah, so we're going with a fun Christmas party color of pinks. And there you can see the face fits edge to edge on this mug and is, I can't say it enough, darling. Okay, now for the gift card itself, I die cut a second whipped cream. I'm going to leave this one white because it's kind of going to make a shadow behind my other whipped cream. And I'm using glue dots to attach that to my gift card and just kind of try to figure out like placement. I knew I probably couldn't line this up exactly because the gift card holder is going to open and close. So it's okay that it shows behind the other one. So I die cut out a second mug in pink and a partial die cut of this white. I wanted to just make the handle a little bit more sturdy because that's where it's going to bend. So I bent the handle back on the back piece. This is going to be the back side of my gift card holder, and then I can glue the 2 handles together. So this more stabilized one I'm gluing to the back of my finished Santa piece well, it's not quite finished. There's always room for embellishments. So now I'm adding the gift card with more glue dots right to that second mug. And you'll see when I close it, the white whipped cream topping is going to show a little bit, and I'm okay with that. I think it just helps kind of show that this is going to open and close. Yeah, so there it is. Pretty quick and easy to do. All right, I have this little tag die set from Trinity Stamps. It was like a free gift with purchase. If it's available to buy, I will link it for you below. And then the interactive die set has all these cool sentiments you can put on your interactive cards. So I chose the word open, and I'm going to tie that to the handle with some red and white baker's twine. This might be the last piece of my roll. I need to get some more. I love it for the holidays. I love it for Valentine's. I love red and white baker's twine. So I just trim off the edges, and that is ready to go. And that in itself is like a really cute card, but there's always room for more. On my Frosty Cafe shaker card, I added some glaze like I am now, just clear glaze like glossy accents, and then my rock candy glitter. So I wanted to do that on this card as well. I added it to Santa's beard, his mustache, his cheeks, his hat, and of course the whipped cream. And that's going to give it just a really like sugared look, a little frosty look, and I just love it. So there it is, and then it's time for sprinkles. This card needs some sprinkles. Now, if you're not familiar with the embellishment shop at Trinity Stamps, they have an obscene amount of embellishments in the best way possible. These are the Bubblemint clay elements. I had these inside my shaker of my previous card, so I knew right away I would put them on the top of my card. I just started with 3 because I wanted to figure out placement of everything first, but I do go back and add more. There on the very left-hand side of your screen, you can see all my little sprinkles peeking through. They have these clay sprinkles in like every single color. And inside there's like dark blue, light purple, dark purple. It's so amazing. It makes me so happy to have so many choices. So I added some light blue sprinkles. I really think that contrast makes it pop. And now it's time to add my snowflake. Remember, I doubled it up so it was too thick, and then I added some glue and glitter to this as well. Just, I didn't want to like completely fill it in, but just some little accents. And then I added some more sprinkles because there was openings, so why not? I am pulling out the red, and this time instead of using the long narrow pieces, I'm using the really tiny circles. And I'm loving all the variety of sprinkles on here so much so that I brought in more. Yeah, I wanted some more bright pink on my light pink icing, or it's not icing, it's it's like whipped topping. Yeah, that. My Cool Whip topping. And then that is going to be all the sprinkles. No, it's not, because I did add one more of those Bubblemints in the center of the snowflake. And I also felt like the clay bits that are the candy, not the sprinkles, but just the candy, I wanted to add glossy accents to so that it was really shiny. So there you have it when it's dry, and you can see how shiny those candies look, and all the glitter and the mica. Oh my gosh, it's so very fun. So very fun. And there's my gift card right on the inside, and there's even room for you to write a personalized message. And there you can see my specialized drink. It's probably frozen hot chocolate, I decided, coming from the Frosty Cafe. And I had so much fun making this card. There's also a gingerbread man in this set, so you can really make any fun little Christmassy drink. You can decorate your cup with the snowflakes, and you could probably pull out some of your other dies and make like maybe like a pumpkin latte with a pumpkin die set. I mean, really the possibilities are endless, and just by hooking those 2 mugs together, you can easily make a little shape card or gift card holder. So I thank you so much for stopping by and letting me share this creation with you. I always enjoy my time here on the Trinity Stamps channel, and I'll see you all again next week with even more cool projects. Thanks for watching, and happy stamping. Bye.